Hola! Namaste! Hello everyone, my name is Akanshu Rahel and welcome to my channel Study Spanish. In this video, we will learn how to count the numbers from 21 to 100. And yes, don't forget to watch the previous video of numbers from 0 to 20. Link in the description below. So let's get started. 21, 21, 21, 21, 22, 22, 22, 23, 23, 23 is 23, 24, 24, 24, 25, 25, 25, 26, 26, 26, 27, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30 is 30. From the numbers 31 to 99 are really easy. We just need to add the number 1 to 10 with the larger number. 31, 31. The sound of E is Y, which means and. 31, 31, 31, 32, 32, 32, 33, 33, 33, 34, 34, 34, 35, 35, 35, 36, 36, 36, 37, 37, 37, 38, 38, 38, 39, 39, 39, 40, 40, 40 is 40, 50, 50, 50 is 50, 60, 60, 60 is 60, 70, 70, 70, 70 is 70, 80, 80, 80 is 80, 90, 90, 90 is 90, 100, 100, 100 is 100, 100 is 100. Let's practice with few numbers. 56, 56, 56, 74, 74, 74, 83, 83, 83, 44, 44, 44, 97, 97, 97. I hope you like this video. Please do share and subscribe the channel Study Spanish. Thank you. Gracias.